people today who were arrested outside CM's house, who took coal to gift the CM, and now they've been taken to the Agasai police station whole afternoon, and now they've been brought to the deputy collector's office. You can see now everyone is coming down. Today I'm on the opposite side, receiving side, because it takes a lot of courage to come out and do this. And it's amazing to see the strength, see the people that have been arrested today. See, all of them. Good job, guys! Good job, good job! If this is how everyone comes forward and voices up, amazing. You can see it is a bus full of protesters today who have been voicing up, who took a bag of coal to the CM's residence. We were arrested 2 weeks ago, and today everyone here can see the big group that has been arrested. This is what the CM does. He doesn't take the gift of a coal bag, but they have all been called to the deputy collector's office. You can see. See, this is the police bus that they were taken in, and they were taken to Agasai police station. You can see, guys, all of them. You can see all of them are here. This is how people should come forward, guys, to voice up. You can see for yourselves. See, guys, all of them. We can't interact with them right now because they have still not been released. But you can see for yourself. You can see they have been asked to come down, yet they have not been taken to the deputy collector's office. You can see for yourself. You can see, guys, see for yourself what's happening. This is how CM does. Now they are putting them into another bus now.
This harassing, I saw.
Yeah, this is full on harassment. Your CM will not address anything, but they will do whatever they want. You can see. How many of them total?
35.
35. Now see again that there's a delay. They've been asked again to go and sit inside in the bus. This is how our Goans are treated. When you stand up, you voice up. This is how we are treated. Guys, you can see for yourself. But I'm so proud that everyone's coming out to fight because we don't want this coal. We don't want this coal in Goa. And today I'm on the other side supporting them because we have to support everyone who gets arrested, guys. We have to support everyone and we have to come out and greet them because it takes a lot of courage to come here and stand. I've been arrested twice and now these guys have been arrested. You can see. They're made to sit back again inside. What's the status?
They're saying to another 10 minutes.
Another 10 minutes they have been made to sit inside, guys. You can see for yourself. See.
Some kind of harassment.
Total, man. Total harassment. This is how people are treated. See, 35 people. Good job.
Yeah, for coal.
For coal, yes. We do not want coal in Goa.
We don't want coal in Goa.
You can see they are the ones who are protesting big time outside. Everyone's coming out in big numbers. Today this group of 35 have come out. Now they will merge with the other group members who all have been part of protest, because unless we come out, make ourselves known, make ourselves heard, there won't be a solution to this problem. Very good. You can see, guys. You can see for yourself that everyone is here in support. They have been called now one by one. It's always good to support the people who are protesting, guys. Not only go there and make noise, but when they come out, be there outside the police station or be there outside Deputy Collector's office and support. I have had friends come and support me, so today I have come to support. In fact, these are the guys today who were arrested because they had taken a bag of coals to gift the CM, because CM is gifting Goans coal, right? So they are the ones who took a bag of coal, collected from all the railway tracks and submitted it to the CM. But CM refused to listen to them and got them all arrested and took them straight to Agasai police station. Not even Panjim police station, which is close by. They've taken them far away, and now they've been brought to the Deputy Collector's office to sign the formalities so that they can be released. Unless you speak up, unless you voice up, there is no solution to this problem. So you can see, guys. You can see for yourself. Surel? Yeah. I know the process. Been there, done that twice.
Tell us in the advance. I would not from there. Can you feel anything?
When CM is gifting coal to the Goans, and when Goans collect coal and gift it to the CM, this is how we are treated. Can you see they were all arrested today? They were all arrested today because they went to gift CM a small bag of coal. You can see for yourself, guys. What a shame. What a shame for us Goans. They're doing the last formalities right now. Imagine if all the groups come together, there's going to be havoc. CM will not able to handle. Today there are 35. In Vasco they couldn't do anything because there were 1,000 people. So this is the strength that we need to keep building up, guys, from 1,000 to 2,000. And then nothing else can happen. Super proud of these guys today because they stood up for what is wrong. Surel, any idea why they were not taken today straight to the Panjim police station and why they were taken to Agasai?
So it was for security reasons, because see, if they keep them in Panjim itself, as Krantigari, we will again get coal and again go to CM's house. That's why.
So they were taken directly to Agasai.
So we could not.
But they were not informed when they were being taken also.
No.
Same like us. They took us for a jolly good ride and they took us, brought us back over here.
Actually, the CM was scared of Aam Aadmi Party.
Of course.
Yes.
Of course, they should be scared because in the end, when you went with all of them went with a bag of coal,
Yes.
he should have accepted it, no? Because he's giving all of us coal.
Because he is getting coal to go.
He's signing, no? He's signing the whole double tracking and everything.
Yes.
I think so. Now next we should go to Nilesh Kabral's place.
Definitely we will go.
We should take coal and give it to him then.
Yes.
So you can see, guys, all the ministers who gift us coal, we should go back to their houses and gift them. This is the best way. And this is democracy, guys. This is our democracy. You voice up, you're treated like this. Welcome to BJP rule. Sad, sad situation. Very sad. Thank you, BJP Goa, for showing us your true colors in this pandemic situation. Even your bucks might be even thinking what's happening, because they are also going to be breathing the same air. They also pay the same fuel prices. They also have undergone demonetization. They are also having COVID-19 situation, and everyone knows how we've been treated. And I hope all this BJP bucks who are there to please realize and see this is the India that you want to see. This is the progress where democracy is totally crushed under our feet. See, when you voice up, this is how we are treated. CM wants to sanction and get coal down to Goa, but he is not ready to take a bag of coal as a gift. Churchill's house also. Go to Churchill's house, yeah. All the ministers who have approved it even few years ago, everyone is involved in this. Everyone, all this elected. And to all the Goans who are watching this, we are the ones who can make a difference, is who we vote for. If they come with the money to your doorstep, please take it, because it's black money only. It's not their own white money that they're giving you. Take it, eat the chicken, drink the beer, but don't vote for them. Think wisely and vote wisely. It's not far away. Before we destroy our Goa, it's a dot on the map. And they want double tracking, they want 4-lane roads, they want transmission lines, they want to destroy our Western Ghats. They'll be cursed. Mother Nature is very cursing them. That's why now see it's 21st of October and it's still raining. We have to think wisely, guys. We have to think wisely. Youngsters who are standing and voicing up, give them an opportunity. Seriously. See, guys. Last of the signing formalities, guys, that these guys are going to be done, and then they will be all released. Okay, Valentina, for you to get updated, this is a group of 35 to actually 40 who were there today. They took a bag of coal and they wanted to gift it to our Chief Minister, Mr. Pramod Sawant, as to thank very much for the beautiful gift that you have given to Goa. And that's why people are out here fighting. But he refused to take his own gift that he's given. And he's got these people, 35 people arrested today. Why? Because they collected the coal from the railway tracks and they went and they directly submitted to the CM saying that, take CM, this is a gift from us to you. Oi, Rostad Montris. They can use that coal to paint themselves black. It's a shame today that people now and then are getting arrested. Exactly, they have already burnt us. Eugenia, very true. And now it's time to charcoal us. Especially all the Vasco cards, all the people residing now in Kansaulim, Chandor side where the double tax is going to take place. You can see, guys, that these are the people who are going to be affected the most. But then we all have Amka Kitak Polla, no? Because we are from the North Belt, it doesn't affect us. Any belt that gets affected affects Goa, remember that. If we don't stand today and fight together, it's over, guys, it's over. You can see they're signing up their last formalities. So Surel, they don't have to go to the deputy collector. From here directly they'll be released. Okay, so guys, they are just signing the last formalities and from here itself they'll be released. Personal bond. Madam, why are people resigning from the post? Well, people who can't stick and be patient will resign. People who have given up hope because either they want to join the same people who are at present ruling, then I'm sorry to say, patience always has to be fruitful. So if you don't have patience with a party that tried its best in 2017 elections, yet people didn't give them a chance. They were all youngsters, many of us were youngsters, including myself. I was an AAP candidate. People didn't give us a chance, and today you can see the present state of what is happening. And people who have elected all these, it's very sad. And trust me, little bit of patience is all what people need. Don't give up hope. Everyone is resigning because everyone doesn't have patience. Everyone wants to be on the winning side. No one wants to work hard. Taking press conferences is not enough, but working on ground level and doing what they are doing now. This is the new team that is coming in together of youngsters, youth. Everyone's coming down on ground level to be a change. And I think so that's a respect we need to have. Patience, guys, patience. So whoever wants to resign and go, they are most welcome to go. You can't hold people from their will. So I am still here with them because I believe that change can happen. And we can see change happening. We are not blinded. We can see change that's happening in Delhi. It's people of Goa that needs to see that change can happen here too. We also need all the facilities. We also need everything. And this is done for the people. So if the people don't come out and fight, what's the use? Sandesh, you're done? You're cleared? How was the experience?
I think we'll have to keep on doing this because this government is being bad to go on day by day and no signs of improvement. So these things will be a continuous process. I urge the people of Goa, it is time that you come out for your rights. Poll is such thing where there should be no party barriers, nothing, because it's going to affect the entire
Goa.
future generation of Goa, whether it is of the generation of the people of AAP, generation of the people of BJP, generation of the people of Congress, all parties, people's future generation is in danger. This is the time Goan should come here. Goan should come together and fight this government so that coal is stopped.
Very true. And Sandesh used to be one hardcore, like a shouter with slogans and everything. And today it was nice to see him. It still is, yeah. It was so good to see you going live on Prudent Media and seeing our Sandesh and the whole gang back into action. Great, guys. This is what we need is ground warriors. Ground warriors.
आता आमी दिसभर आयज सीएमागे मुखार रावन तेणें आमकां भितर घायलें आनी आमी सगळें कित्याक कोताय हें सगळें कोताय आमगे नॅक्स्ट जनरेशनाक आमकां कोणाय सो जे जनरेशन आहा ते AI यूथ आहा ते भायर आय आनी हो पळय कोळशाचो इश्यू आहा तो आमी सगळ्या लोकांक बरो पावया आमगे कांय उलोवना ना आमी आतां म्हातारे फाल्यां तुमगे भुरग्यांक ते दुयेंस जायना जावपाक कोळशाचें सो सगळे AI जेन्ना जेन्ना कोळशाचो निशेध चलता तेन्ना भायर हेंय आमगेलें एक देवस्पणूय सो सगल्यांक मागता गोंयकारां कडेन स्पेशली युथा कडेन कम आउट and protest such a bad thing what is happening today in Goa. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And if you can see, okay, someone said, Madam, Elvis doesn't have patience, you mean to say. I didn't say anything about Elvis, and Elvis himself has stepped down as a conveyor so that he can focus on his constituency. So I don't understand why are you saying that Elvis doesn't have patience. So please, you have to see what's happening, guys, that all those who are resigning, either some of them are resigning because of their health purpose, or some of them have, I don't know what, but everything has patience. Even this coal fight is we having patience. We cannot give up. It's a battle where every Goan should come together and fight. Keeping all political parties aside, but come as people, unity to show support. Thank you, CM, for this amazing gift of coal.
हे पयले फावट न्ही हे सगळे गोंयकारां जे जितल्यांनी प्रोटेस्ट केला आज गोंयांत कोलाक लागून रस्त्यांक लागून तारवट्यांक लागून ओन्ली सोल्युशन इज हे ब्लू गाडयेन घालपाचें भितर हाडपाचें फॉर्म सायन करपाचें आनी फॉर द नेक्स्ट 60 days ऑन द नेक्स्ट 1 year टू इंटरफियर जावपा ना म्हूण हें सायन करून हें पेपर करपाचें सो म्हाका न्ही दिसना हें आनी गोंयकारांक हो गव्हर्मेंट गोंयकारां पासून कितें करता म्हूण आनी इट इज हाय टायम कित्याक आज ह्या पॅन्डेमीक सिट्युएशनाक आमकां मास्क घालून भोंव पडटा आनी आमकां खबर ना हो वायरस कितकोन येतो आनी हो वायरस कितकोन येतो तेच भाशेन हो कोळसो जो तो वाऱ्यान मिक्स जालो आनी हेज्या मुखार हें पोल्युशन इतलें वाडलें देर वील बी नो मोर वे टू सेव आवर सेल्फ सो सगळे गोंयकारांक मागता एकठांय जाया गोंयांत कोळसो नाका म्हणून एक जावन एक वॉयस करा 40 MLA मुखार हाडा आनी 40 MLA जरी तरी कोळशा एगेन्स्ट CM कडेन आवाज काडना जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता ते घरांत वचोन म्हाका दिसता ते एजिटेशन तेंगे घरा मुखार करपा पडटलें आतां हें सांगून रिक्वेस्ट ऑल गोवन्स टू come ahead and join this movement unitedly so that there is no place in this small bus.
Yeah.
There are thousands of people. These buses are not going to be enough.
They will not arrest.
That is what we have to do. Let's fix a date. Let's fix a time. Let's calculate 1,000 buses if they can bring it. This is an appeal. We will put out a date. We will do this time in Margao. Request all Goans, stay tuned. We will call you out and we request everybody to come together. All the groups must be together on that particular date, that particular time in Margao. Thank you.
Awesome.
Swapnil.
देवता मॅडम मागीर येतलो वायट मागीर घेवन वयर वता तो
So guys, you can see they've been taken right now, few of them, for their final signatures.
म्हाका जेवणाक
We have our lady warrior. Woohoo! Good to see you. See, this is for y'all to see how everyone's been taken. Police are only doing their duty because they have got orders to get this done. It's very sad situation that what we are facing today, that even law and order is not in control.
Hello. Don't shoot this.
I'm not showing. I'm not shooting this.
Only this
Only bus, nothing else.
Only 5 minutes to go.
I shall step off. This is our very own Goa actually, but I shall step off as you say. So you can see, guys, I've been asked to step off from here.
इधर से दे दो ना, बाकी लोग कहाँ गए? सबको अंदर ले जाने क्या? इधर से दे दो।
All of them. Till everyone
पास कर देंगे
is
लोग।
down, I'll still be on live so that you can see, guys, for yourselves.
ये देखो इनको, ये लोग सबको पास करेंगे। अरे बट दे आर कमिंग आउटसाइड नाउ। अरे पास ही जा रहे हैं यार।
No, but they are all coming out, so they can take it from here and go actually.
ठीक रहा था ना वो। बस में छोड़ना नहीं था ऑलरेडी
You see, guys, they've all been taken over there. This is the Deputy Collector's office for the final things to be done. Goa, get ready. The more numbers we have, you can see, guys.